किसी का भाई किसी की जान, फरहाद नोलन समझी आप फिल्म छोड़ो और खाओ पान. Just now came back after watching Salman Khan's किसी की भाई किसी की जान movie, and I must say, always I'll be saying this, खुदा मेहरबान तो गधा भी पहलवान. जब तक फरहाद नोलन समझी जैसा डायरेक्टर बॉलीवुड में है, तब तक ऐसे वाहियात घटिया पिक्चर बनते रहेंगे, बनते रहेंगे, बनते रहेंगे, बनते रहेंगे. Before talking about the movie, everybody knows that now it's extremely hot and humid conditions, and it's extremely difficult to maintain my hair. So I use Man Matters hair gummies to maintain my hair. This Man Matters hair gummies have the ingredients consisting of biotin, zinc, and multivitamins. It is 100% sugar free, 100% vegan, and 100% gelatin free. This Man Matters hair gummies is there. If you consume it, then it will make your hair thicker and stronger. Even if you have beard, though I don't have it, it will make your beard also thicker and stronger and more longer also. And also if you use this one, it's so special that it will prevent your hair from hair loss. Means you will not have hair loss. Means it will prevent hair fall. So if you consume this one, then you will not get taklu at all. You will not become taklu. So this is the hair gummies. Now I'm going to eat this hair gummies. So every day I eat daily one. One you should eat for 3 months. Then you will get the best result, and then you will not become fully taklu. मतलब क्या बोले भाई, क्या बोले, मतलब कुछ बोलने का लायक ही नहीं है यार, लायक ही नहीं है. First half means simply the story is basically Veeram remake. Veeram remake, one violent man is there. He'll be taking care of the village. Here they have shown colony. There it is root, means cultural roots. In Veeram they have shown that means village and everything. Here they are showing full city. So means Salman Khan and his brothers will look after the city and look after people of the city and everything. He's a very violent person. So he is means he's a bachelor at 40-45 years, and because he is a bachelor, जब तक बड़े भाई का शादी नहीं होता है तब तक छोटे भाई का भी शादी नहीं होगा. तो for that then Pooja Hegde's entry comes and romance starts. Seriously, अरे that romance is इतना घटिया है, and comedy, मतलब comedy dialogues you should see. 2 रुपए का पेप्सी, भाईजान सेक्सी. देन मतलब क्या बोले, मतलब बंदे में है दम, वंदे मातरम. Means these all dialogues is there, means in the form of comedy these all dialogues are there. Means all WhatsApp jokes, and means kids will be making those dialogues. Seriously, in this simple story, if a simple comedy line this Farhad Nolan Shamji cannot make and cannot deliver, then what he will make a fully comedy movie? Hera Fairy 3. Means rest in peace Hera Fairy 3 in advance. Rest in peace Hera Fairy 3 in advance. Seriously, मतलब comedy is बचकाने, पूरा बचकाने, and romance is fully flat, and so many songs. So many songs. Seriously, means as if this is not a movie, it's like a music video. It's like that. Songs means what is that? I just wanna fall in love with you. I just wanna fall in love with you. मतलब हिंदी गाना है या इंग्लिश गाना है, कुछ पता नहीं चल लग रहा है. फिर then another song is there, नहीं ओ लगदा दिल. अरे that song is good, but choreography is horrible. At least that song is good. The tune Humesh has given it well. That's why you can means at least बर्दाश्त कर सकते हैं. That's it. First half full gone like that only. Means irritating, and it's giving torture first half. Till the metro scene, that metro scene action was good. It was good. That's it. From there, then they go to South India to means for the means Pooja Hegde's house, so that Pooja Hegde's brother is there, Venkatesh, so that he accepts Salman Khan as his son-in-law. That is the then full South Indian that is there. That in second half, due to Venkatesh personality, charisma, and his means acting performance, and Salman Khan's chemistry between Venkatesh and means that one bonding, and Jagapati Babu's villainish role and his means personality, screen presence and everything. Second half is far better than the first half. Means it's at least watchable. Means you can sit because of all these 3 actors. That's it. Other than that, nothing is there. And Vijender Singh is another villain, it seems. Vijender Singh means simply is a boxer यार. He is a boxer. For what he is there, God only knows. Means dialogue delivery कुछ नहीं है. मतलब कुछ नहीं है. Simply boxing के लिए रखा है. मतलब seriously, this Salman Khan films, this production house once again proves that it's a Berozgari Yojana. Means even his brothers, those 3 brothers are there. That Dance India Dance contestant Cockroach, that fellow means means then Jassi Gill, Punjabi actor, Punjabi singer is there and all those. मतलब कुछ है ही नहीं उसका, मतलब यार कुछ स्क्रीन प्रेजेंस कुछ है ही नहीं, मतलब है ही नहीं कुछ केमिस्ट्री, मतलब बॉन्ड कुछ नहीं है. मीन्स दे आर स्लीप वॉकिंग, दैट्स इट. दे आर स्लीप वॉकिंग, दे आर डिलीवरिंग लाइक, मतलब शिफ्ट खत्म करना है, ओके बाय बाय टाटा थैंक यू, दैट्स इट, लाइक दैट इट इज गोइंग ऑफ. मीन्स बस यही है डायरेक्शन लेवल फरहाद नोलन समझी का, मतलब एंड ही इज गेटिंग films after films after films after films after films after films after films, that too with top stars. Seriously, this needs to stop yaar, this needs to stop. Means seriously, this film is completely, story wise it's completely outdated yaar. This Veeram 2013, if this movie would have been remade at least in 2015 we could have understood, but now it's 2023. Remakes are not working, nothing is working, and Salman Khan, how he has approved, seriously, Sajid Nadiadwala has run away. After Bachchan Pandey's failure, Sajid Nadiadwala has simply run away. He has sold the remake rights to Salman Khan and Salman Khan has made this movie. Seriously, yaar. Seriously, what is the necessity, yaar? Today in the theater also, today in the theater also only 20% occupancy, 20-30% occupancy. They are also like full, only in that entry scene, little bit half-hazard cheer, and that climax, little cheer they have given, but they are also not completely satisfied. Seriously. Means half the audience are saving money for Tiger 3. It looked like that only. They are saving money for Tiger 3. Means what? Seriously. My expectations, it has reached, because my expectations is zero. That's it. My expectation was zero. It has reached my expectation. So seriously, this needs to stop. This needs to stop. How long it will go, I really don't understand. मतलब है ही नहीं कुछ यार. Means brothers, means Veeram's that Siva was there. He is also called as average director by South means fans and everyone. He's called average director. Those time his films used to run. It became blockbuster. But today's time it is not working anymore. So why seriously is making this remake, Veeram remake? God only knows at this moment of time. When OTT has come, means TV has come, Veeram has telecasted so many times in Hindi dub also. Why they are remaking, God only knows. Seriously, in Veeram, at least in that movie, brothers' emotions was portrayed properly. Then that Ajit Kumar's character was written perfectly, and some screen presence and villains and everything, heroine and everything. It worked that time. But now this one, फरहाद नोलन समझी has पूरा कबड़ा कर दिया, पूरा कबड़ा कर दिया, और पूरा एडिशनल इनपुट्स लगा दिया, पूरा मतलब विलेज को कॉलोनी बना दिया, फिर बाद में मतलब पूरा मतलब. और सलमान खान में, इस फिल्म में सलमान खान का 3 लुक्स है, मतलब सलमान खान हैज 3 लुक्स इन दिस मूवी. First half that looks seriously long hair. मतलब whenever Salman Khan had long hairs, none of his movies has worked यार. None of his movies. See Veer and all those movies, what all big disasters it has become, long hair and everything. So first half that looks was horrible. Second half it was good. Second half, I'm telling you right. Second half that Venkatesh, Salman Khan and Jagapati Babu's, their personality, their screen presence and everything, it has reached the level. That's it. Means it made audience, I could sit through the theaters. That's it. Other than that, Farhad Nolan समझी seriously, मतलब किसी का भाई किसी का जान, अब फिल्म छोड़ो और खाओ पान. That's it. Farhad Nolan समझी. Seriously, he should stop यार. He should stop getting chance. Direction is awful. Seriously, the actors are not interested. They are just sleepwalking. Everything. Emotions बनाने नहीं आता है. Comedy बचकाने हैं. रोमांस भी कितना, मतलब पूरा पागल हो जाएगा आदमी. कुछ रोमांस है ही नहीं, कुछ केमिस्ट्री है ही नहीं, कोई फिजिक्स बायोलॉजी कुछ है ही नहीं, मतलब. और 3 एक्सप्रेशन दे रहा है पूजा हेगड़े, इनोसेंस का, वायलेंस का, और फिर मतलब रोमांस का. क्या मतलब कुछ है ही नहीं, कुछ मतलब फूला ही नहीं कुछ. तो क्या मतलब, क्या बोले भाई, क्या बोले, मतलब he is getting continuously films. So my ratings for this movie is 1.5 out of 5 stars यार. Only for Salman Khan, Venkatesh and Jagapati Babu's 1.5 stars. And Himesh Reshammiya, that Nahi Ho Lagda, that song, composition, everything, and Billy Billy Akkamadiye, that song, that's it. Other than that, nothing is there. Means nothing. Means Farhad Nolan Samji should get a big 0 seriously. How to destroy and how to do complete kabada of means remakes, we should learn from Farhad Nolan Samji seriously. Awful direction, terrible screenplay. After every scene, one song is coming and it's distracting the whole screenplay. The verdict is, seriously, it's means flop. This movie is flop. Audience are also, today 30% audience was there. They are also saving money for Tiger 3. Seriously, Farhad Nolan Samji, that entry scene only, by seeing that opening entry shot itself, seriously, where there should be proper action and everything, that also is haphazardly done. That entry shot only, we understood that this movie is going to be a flop. That's it. Means only Salman Khan, Venkatesh and Jagapati Babu are saving grace. That's it. So Tiger 3 means, seriously, people will say that I'm hater, it seems. I hate Bollywood and everything. Arey yaar, Pathan movie, Siddharth Anand, Salman Khan's entry, that 15 minutes cameo is there. No, 15 minutes cameo. That presentation is 1,000 times better than this Farhad Nolan Shamji's Kisi Ka Bhai Kisi Ki Jaan's Salman Khan's presentation. See the presentation of Siddharth Anand and see the presentation of this Farhad Nolan Shamji. That is the difference between a good director and a pathetic director. Understand that. Understand that. Get it in your head. Wait for Tiger 3. You see the difference. That's all I will try to say.